Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my fourth vlog for my Hot Wheels collections, and I'm really glad to have this place viewed in my videos. So I really like it. So yeah, there's a boat in there. So this is a nice place. I really love the oceans or seashore. Yeah, love the boat. So this is amazing views of the ocean, and as you can see, the waves are really nice, and I really love hearing the sound of it. So let's start with my vlog for my Hot Wheels collections. So what I have here was, I only bought two of them, but it's one of the things that I really love buying. This is a pickup of Toyota Tundra, 10 Toyota Tundra. So this is the latest car that pickup that I bought. I think I bought it at 119.75 pesos at TK Express. So this one is really nice. I really love Toyota Tundra because of this look, which is a bit huge compared to other pickups. So if you can see, the wheels are also big like the Chevy one that I vlogged before. So this is really nice, and because the Toyota brand is really famous for being so good cars, valuable cars, because when you buy a Toyota, it's the reviews are very nice because of the years that you can use this kind of car. Aside from the fact that some of the cars of Toyota are a bit cheaper compared to other cars in real life. So, and also since I think it's made of Japan, so that's why its machines are very famous compared to other brand of the cars in real world. So I really like this Toyota Tundra Hot Wheels because of its cute design, and I really love collecting pickups with huge wheels. So this one is from Tokyo 2020 baseball. I think it's kind of, there's a brand on there which is from Tokyo Olympics. So I think this car was used to Tokyo 2020 Olympics. So because of the logo that you have on this part there, Tokyo 2020, and I think that's an Olympic logo. So I think this car was used during Olympics, since there's also the sign of baseball at the side of the car. So here's the logo at the back. So it's a Toyota Tundra. I really like this one. So, but since this one is very rare in the market, not sure if how many was released with this type of pickup. So I'm hoping to have another Toyota Tundra. Hopefully I can see one in the marketplace, so wish me luck in collecting this one. So what I had previously, since this one I bought it just recently, so this one is my old Toyota Tundra. So as you can see, the color is different. I really love the purple color, so that's the reason why I start loving this pickup, because of its color. So it's kind of purple. I think it's a purple one, but the color on the pickup was a little bit purple blue, so not really sure with the correct color of it. So this one is very nice. The wheels is really huge compared to other pickups, so I like this pickup really. And aside from the fact that it's from Toyota, so this is one of the things that I love collecting. So you can see the difference on the price. I bought it at 99.75 pesos at, not sure where I bought it, so I think it's also the same. It's from TK or Toys R Us, because those the only two stores that I usually went to before to buy Hot Wheels. So I think I bought it there. So as you can see, I have already two of them, and it's really amazing. I really love this car, so hopefully I can buy more of this kind of off-road truck, off-road pickup. So there, see, it's really Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. Now I see it. I didn't read it before, so there you have it. Hope to buy more of this. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.